Capacities versus Notion, which productivity app is better? Choosing the right productivity app can completely change how you manage your tasks and projects without feeling overwhelmed. We'll explore both options to help you decide. Capacities and Notion are both powerful productivity tools, but they serve different needs. Capacities focuses on a streamlined approach to task management, while Notion offers a more versatile workspace for notes, databases, and project tracking. Capacities is a productivity app designed for individuals and teams looking for simplicity in task management. It operates on a straightforward interface that allows users to create tasks, set deadlines, and track progress with ease. The strength of Capacities lies in its focus on essential features, eliminating distractions and providing a clear overview of tasks. However, it may lack some advanced functionalities found in other apps, such as extensive customization options or integrations with third-party tools. Ideal users include those who prefer a minimalist approach and want to boost their productivity without the complexity of feature-rich platforms. Notion is a versatile productivity app that combines note-taking, project management, and database functionalities in one platform. It allows users to create customized workspaces with various templates, making it suitable for personal and team use. Notion's strength lies in its flexibility. Users can design their workflows to fit their specific needs, incorporating tables, Kanban boards, and calendars. However, this versatility can also be a limitation for some, as the initial setup may feel overwhelming for new users. Ideal for those who require a comprehensive tool for collaboration and organization, Notion is perfect for teams and individuals looking to manage complex projects. When comparing Capacities and Notion, consider your workflow and needs. Capacities excels in simplicity, making it easy to jump in and start managing tasks right away. If you prefer a clean, focused environment, it's a great choice. On the other hand, Notion shines when it comes to customization and versatility. If your projects require detailed notes, databases, or collaborative features, Notion provides the tools to create a tailored experience. However, the trade-off is that Notion can be more complex to navigate initially. In scenarios where quick task management is essential, Capacities may be the better option, while Notion is ideal for comprehensive project management. For users seeking a straightforward task management solution, Capacities is highly recommended. If you need a flexible and feature-rich productivity app, Notion is the way to go. Both apps have their strengths, so choose based on your specific needs to maximize your productivity.